Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to day 9 of 12 days of Liller-Ween. On today's video, sadly there will be no craft with me, but there definitely still will be a giveaway. Even if I don't craft anything with you guys, the giveaway video will still go up till the days are over. And I can't believe Halloween is right around the corner, you guys. I'm so excited. October 31st, I will have the episode for that day, and I'll also have the video picking the winners later that night. So get excited to see if you won one of the 12 days. And yes, let's get into the prize pack for today, so you guys can start hitting that enter me on the comment section and be entered to win. So one of the prizes is going to be this cute little hoop mail that I made using the October Nights Witch Hazel collection. I did the Hobby Lobby trim all the way around. There's some foamy stars. It has a little pocket. I'm going to add some little goodies in there. Look how cute, you guys. That's what the back looks like. So you'll be winning this cute little hoop. And then you'll also be getting this little pack of embellishments, little spooky cupcakes, and this cute little circle embellishment. And then you'll also be getting 2 little spooky tags. Aren't these cute, you guys? So you got the little ribbons in the back. But yeah, that is the prize pack for today. So you already know, if you want to be entered, leave a comment down below just once saying enter me, and you'll be entered for the opportunity to win. Stay tuned for episode 10 because we will be crafting up some stuff. But that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support, and I will catch you guys on the next episode. Bye guys.